Hondude Nation, what is up? We're out touring in the snow. Yeah, we got a pile of it. The bike's actually not doing that well in this deep of snow. I wish I had tracks or like 50 more horsepower would be nice, but hey. There's about a foot of snow, I'd say. It's deeper in some spots compared to others. Like there is a ton of snow out here. Once we get in these cedars, it won't be bad, but third gear is about the best we can do, boys. Get to it. Oh yeah, that's a big stump. We're gonna try and just get up here on this little hill, see how that goes. Might not work. I don't know if I can climb this hill. Snow's, as you can see, the snow's pretty deep, so Outlaws are still working, barely. Baby. Yeah, we did all right there. See if we can get up this one. Alright, so there's about a foot of snow out here. We got a nice hill here. We're gonna see if the Honda Rubicon with 29.5 Outlaws can get up it. Really, I'm just screwing around out here, so it's not really a test, but I don't think we'll make it. Alright, I can't believe that. We made her. Whew, that's some deep powder for these. The old girl's getting a workout. We'll continue on. You guys should get your machines out there with different tires in the snow, and we'll compare what tires, mud tires, work best in the snow. I'd love to get a set of Bighorns or something like that and get them studded. In deep snow like this, horsepower truly does make a difference. No denying that. If you're driving a automatic Honda in deep snow like this, you gotta run the electronic shift on it. It will have no idea what to do if you're in auto. Every time you get your RPMs like high where you want them to pull you through, they'll try shifting up on you. and then it'll realize that it can't run like that. It shifts down, and then it just keeps doing the same thing over and over and over. And you know, you can't be doing that. Well, you can, but I need tracks on this thing next year for sure. Well, I need them this year, but there's no way that's happening. Sponsor, that's what we need. A sponsor for tracks and a snowplow. So if you're out there, hook me up with a deal, and we'll work something out. Almost took that video. I wonder if this is froze. Centered it. See if I can back it up a bit. Pulled out of that with the diff lock. Maybe I should keep the diff lock on here.